Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how we can verify the broken link in any website, okay, using Selenium Java and TestNG. Okay, so let's see. So first we have to take the web driver equal to new Chrome driver. So here we are initializing the web driver, then we are opening this website, okay, driver.get and the website, okay, dead link city. So just open this link and understand what is broken link, okay. So this is the website. So here if you could see there are couple of links, okay. So couple of links, if you click on the link, okay, so this is not opening to anywhere, it is only showing bad request, okay. If you want 4.1, okay, this is also unauthorized. If you open 402, okay, so the custom error module does not recognize this error. So okay, so we could see whatever the link is there. So here these links are broken link, okay. These links are broken link. If you open suppose anything starting with 501, okay, header value specify a method that is not implemented, okay. So like that. So there are a couple of links which is not redirecting to any other website, so that those links we can consider as broken link. So our requirement is to verify the broken links and how many broken links are there in a website. So that we need to check using Selenium. Okay. So let's see how we can do that. So first we are opening driver.get, okay, and then we need to take all the broken links, okay, all the broken links. So to capture it all the broken link we have to use driver dot find elements, right guys? Yeah, so here we can write like this, driver dot find. So for all the links, find element is if it's applicable for one web element, and find elements is applicable for list of web elements, means all the web elements, right? So like that. So we are taking this one, and if you could inspect, let inspect is. So here we could see the tag name is A, right? A ref. So here if you open this one, so here also ahref, right? Like that. So open another one. So this is also ahref. So we can use the tag name, right? Then by dot tag name, and here we should give the value a, and we have to store it where? We have to store it in list of web elements, right? So we need to import it, okay, from java.util package, and we have to import web element also from org openqs selenium, okay. Then we need to check whether this href attribute is present or not, okay. Href attribute, we have to capture this href attribute, okay. Href attribute we have to capture, and the error code, okay. So let's see how we can achieve it. So for that, to check each website we have to use for each loop, okay, which will go through with each and every links, okay. So web element link, that is all links, okay. So this is for each loop, okay. So this is return type web element, and it will check all the links stored here in this variable, okay. So we can take a string with a name URL, okay, or we can say like is1, okay, and here we are storing get attribute value, okay, get attribute value. And what get attribute we have to take? Href, right? Href value we have to take, okay. So this is we are taking a string variable. Here we are taking the get attribute value, okay. So this href get attribute whatever the values, okay, that we are storing, okay. But suppose this is empty, it may happen, right? This is broken link, so it may happen that under this there is no href value, so that also we need to validate. If s1 equal to null or s1 dot is empty, right? Then what? Then we need to print that not possible. If suppose s1 value is null or s1 is empty, okay, means this href value not present, then in that case we need to print that link verification not possible, okay, link verification not possible, okay. And if s1 there is a value, okay, then what? Then we need to find out each broken link, okay, we need to find out each broken link, okay. So how we can do that? Then we have to take a url variable, okay, url variable u1 equal to new url, okay. And here we have to give, this is string form, right? This is string form, but we have to convert it in the url form. First we are taking this, okay, get attribute, this is we are storing in a string format, but we have to convert it into the url format, okay. So we have to import this java.net, from there we have to import it. So in that case we have to throw this declaration, okay, fine. Then we have to take the http open connection. So this is http url then connection. So we are connecting with the http url, okay, and we are taking one connection, okay, we can say like h1. We are creating an object, so and we are opening what? u1 dot open connection, okay. So this is also we need to import from java.net, okay. And here what we are doing, and we need to throw the uh, IO exception declaration, okay. So this exception we have to throw, and here what we are doing, we are URL we are taking, then we are opening this HTTP URL connection, and here we are typecasting it, okay. We are typecasting it. Now we are taking, we are opening, we are connecting with that link, okay, that site. Now what? Now we have to check, okay, whether the link is broken or not. So how we can verify whether the link is broken? How we can check? So if you check here, all the error code whatever mentioned, those are starting with those are more than 400. So we can mention like that till 200 there is no broken link, okay. And 301, it is redirecting, it is mentioning also, it is redirecting to a valid link on this site. So this is, they are showing this page is exist and it is a valid link. So 300 links means it is valid link, so at least it should be 400 or more, okay. So then that is a broken link, okay. So we can come to that conclusion that is a broken link, right? So that we need to verify, okay. So we can put a condition like that, if, okay, h1 dot response code, okay, greater than 400, so then we can say it is broken link, okay. So if it is greater or equal to 400, then in that case we can mention it is broken link, okay. If the response code of h1 greater or equal to 400, then we can say link is broken, broken link. And if not, then it is not a broken link, right? Then else part, this is not broken link, okay. Like that we can verify. So it will check each and every URL and it will verify whether this is broken link or not, okay. Like that. And we can print also, okay, this is broken link, we can take all the links also, okay. Like that. And we can take one integer variable of broken, right? Here we can take one integer variable like broken link, that is equal to 0, okay. So what we are doing, we are taking an integer variable, okay, with a name broken link, and we are initializing the value 0. So suppose the link is we are finding each broken link, then we are incrementing the value also of this variable, okay. So we can get the count of each broken link, right? So that also we can do. So here we can print this value also, okay. So like that we can get, okay, to get the broken link. So it will connect with each link, so whatever the broken link, so that may throw exception, so in that case we need to write this code under the try catch block, okay. Else it may happen the execution got failed, okay, in between, so that we need to keep in mind, okay. So we need to write under try catch block, okay. this part. So we need to write in a try catch block, okay, the code. So then, so that's it, okay. So we need to write this code under the try catch block, okay. Else it may get stop in between, okay. So let's run it. Let's see now the result, okay. Let's see. So here we could see it is pass, okay. It is pass. Verify it is pass. Total number of broken link is 42, okay. Total number of broken link is 42. Now verify this message in a console, okay. So this is one URL, this is 401, 402, and the URL also, okay. Let's see valid URL also print or not. So these are the valid URL also. These also got printed, okay. So using this code we can find out, okay, what are the broken links. So that is also a very important question in any Selenium, Java, TestNG, automation testing question, okay, interview. So please practice it, okay. um, and please comment your thought on my videos, okay. And please subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, and I will come with another video on the next day, okay. Please practice it and please subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.